Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for FormGent Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect on this type of product page. Okay. Otherwise you have to open your any browser, any search engine and type for Bloggingify store, open our website, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about FormGent. So let me type form, and here you can see we have lots of forms. So let me see FormGent Pro activation with original license key. Okay. Use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process with our original license key. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, add other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our PM contact support. So send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.